Can I get people to like me if I use a drone in my motorcycle videos? Let me explain. I'm so ugly that when I was young, my mum tied meat to my neck so my dog would play with me. I'm old now, but I had a brilliant idea. Maybe people will start liking me if I add drone shots to my videos. So I bought a drone. After all, buying stuff always makes you popular, doesn't it? So with the drone in my backpack, off we went into the countryside, looking for suitable places to shoot drone footage. The problem is I'm a rank amateur when it comes to flying a drone. Then again, I'm a rank amateur when it comes to making technically decent videos as well. But ignoring these blatant facts, here are some examples of my pathetic attempts at drone footage. Yes, they're poorly piloted and poorly executed. But can I get people to like me if I become technically brilliant at this? I recall the videos I've watched of bikes riding endless minutes on the road with no commentary and no captions. Brilliant footage. But I realised that I find that was pretty boring and I never watched that channel again. On the other hand, I subscribe to a number of people who have a story to tell. When there's a decent story, I don't notice the technology. It's great if the tech is also there, but it isn't what keeps me viewing. So, sadly, my drone footage won't make me popular or liked. I can't pan, I can't elevate, and I can't pick a decent shot to keep interest. And I can't think of a decent story to tell either. On the other hand, it's fun to learn something new that I enjoy. So I'll put up with being ugly and not liked while I please myself, rather than chase the acclaim from others.